Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's go to Seattle.
Yeah.
Is this the competitor check-in?
Yes, that's correct. Last name.
Pollum, P-O-L-L-O-M. I think that's it.
Perfect.
Right there.
There you go. So the lanyard's in here, and you'll need this every day to check in.
All right, thank you.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you. So I just got my lanyard for Worlds. I just checked in. If you do this QR code down here, you'll see my schedule for the events. Came with this World Championship bag. A few other things in here. It looks like a shirt, or actually just a table mat. And it looks like a sticker down there. Here I am at Worlds. I don't compete till 1:45 today for OH. In the meantime, we'll get free time. I'll come back.
Okay. I guess you don't have all your stuff, do you?
I don't have any of it.
And I guess you found out that
See, this is an autograph table for Felix Zendegs, the greatest speedcuber of all time. Want to see how long the line is? Take a look. That line goes well past the flags over there. That is how long the line is for Felix. It is right there. It's a long ways. Somebody just gave him a body pillow.
He has a pillow to kiss that night.
It's finally time. I'm competing in 3x3 round 1, group 6 on the green stage, coming right up. Hopefully you like the new filming equipment I got for this. See you there.
We are now calling up 3x3, one-handed, round 1 through 7, on the side stages. 3x3, one-handed, round 1 through 7, on the side.
8 seconds. That's sub 20. Well, that should be sub 20. Not sure where that's going to put me. That should definitely not. I don't think I'm going to make the next round on that, but that's all right. But it's okay. I got more rounds to go, and Pyraminx should be coming up. Group 1. I'll be preparing for that. Pyraminx round 1, Group 1's up. Wish me luck.
You got the phone? $4.19. Okay. What?
Carver.
I got a haircut like maybe 1-2 months ago.
Private price is what?
Thank you.
Well, I think that camera plop on the fifth solve symbolizes about how this average went. Would be very surprised I moved to the next round, but I'm at Worlds. Tougher competition. Can't afford to do that, but here we are. All right. That should conclude today's events, and tomorrow I should do Megaminx. It is 3 o'clock. It is about 1 hour before I'm supposed to compete in Megaminx. There's probably a good chance the competition's running behind, so it could be a little bit later. But I am competing in Megaminx today, Group 1 of Worlds. This will be the only event I do today. Megaminx Group 1 is up. That's me. Oh, yes. That's cut off. That says men 6, right?
Finish this.
Well, I got to finish the average, which is what I mattered the most. I think the first solve is a PR single, and the average might be PR average. It's pretty close if it's not. I'll have to check back, but I did what I came to do, and that was complete an average of 5 for Megaminx first round. Very happy about that. I think this is going to be it for the competition today. I will be competing in 3x3 tomorrow around the afternoon time. All right, it is Saturday, July 5th. It is about 3:15. I am making my way over to the convention center for the first time today to compete in 3x3, which I am slated to start at 4, but that will likely be pushed back a little bit. But I'm just going to get myself to the convention center so I can prepare myself to compete in 3x3 today. Three by three Group 10 is up. It's my time to compete in 3x3. Let's roll. I'm ready.
Eight seconds.
Well, it started off good, but those last 3 salts killed it. It's gonna be over 10 seconds, and there's no way I'm going to the next round. So that's gonna conclude all my salts for this competition. From here on, I'm gonna be a spectator. Well, as I said yesterday, I am not competing in any events today. So today is just a spectating day. Right now I am back at the Arch, or the Convention Center, to watch round 2 of 3x3. Today is the final day of speed cubing, so everything that hasn't happened yet is gonna go down today.
And flagship event is 3x3. This competition had 1,864 competitors, almost 700 more than the next largest competition in history. And these are our top 3x3 competitors. In third place, with an average of 4.98, Timon Kulishinsky. With an average of 4.49 seconds, Shwinyi Gong. In first place, with an average of 4.23 seconds, the world champion
Well, that's gonna do it for Worlds 2025. There won't be another one for 2 years. It'll be in Sweden. Highly unlikely I go to that one. But, yep, I was one of 1,864 competitors at the largest competition in history. Quite a feat. I don't know. It looks like I'll be at Missouri Championships coming up in about 2 weeks. And after that, there will be Lawrence, Kansas after that. So you could probably expect me to be at those 2 competitions coming up. But we're going to spend another night here in Seattle. Then we're going to go home, and I'm going to put this whole video together. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot from this experience, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.